Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. In Blender, rigid body physics let objects collide, fall, and react to gravity automatically. Add a few cubes to your scene and a ground plane. Select one and go to Object, Rigid Body, Add Active. Then select your ground plane and go to Object, Rigid Body, Add Passive. Press play and gravity does the rest. Active objects are affected by physics and they fall with gravity. Passive objects act as colliders and they stay still like platforms. You can adjust the mass, friction, and bounciness in the Physics tab. When you're happy, bake your simulation in the cache settings for consistent playback. And that's rigid body physics in under 1 minute.